Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody feeling today? Today is the 31st. It's the end of August, and we got crazy day today. Probably gonna implement impulsive entries for me. I usually don't use not impulsive entries, but excuse me, folks. I'm probably gonna use buy stops and sell stops here, but only at 7:30. Still gotta wait a little bit to see what's going on with this, but yeah, guys, I'll be right back. folks, I'm gonna say for myself, about say about a minute and a half. I'll go ahead and activate and get those buy stops and sell stops ready. It's the first time I'm using buy stops and sell stops, so I'm a little, I guess you can say I'm a little nervous, but just really gonna make sure I, close early if I need to, or only thing we control is the risk. So I am gonna make sure this is a 1.5%. But other than that, though, mm, it's got me a little nervous. But yeah, I want to make sure I do it before, like a minute 30. Just go ahead and activate it. Honestly, probably even less. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the buy stop ready and then I'm gonna go ahead and get that sell stop ready. It's the first time I'm doing this, so I'm a little nervous, but we're just gonna see how it goes. You know, gotta get a first time experience for everything, so just gonna try and manage the trade best I can. So price really isn't moving as crazy as I expected it to. In that regard, I don't know how much I like these buying sell stops up. Believe our crazier moves gonna happen tomorrow with the actual unemployment rates. I actually titled my thing a little bit wrong today. Today's unemployment claims, tomorrow's unemployment rates, and then we also have NFP tomorrow, pretty much. So maybe tomorrow's when we have that huge spike, but for right now it seems a little interesting. If we even go like 5-10 pips drawdown with either one of these activated stops, I'm gonna go ahead and just close. Because obviously with impulsive entries, or not impulsive entries, excuse me, with buy and sell limits, you're pretty much expecting prices to continue after it's activated your stuff. You're not expecting it to go and draw down. You're usually supposed to be with proper volume and spread, and this looks like it's moving really slow. So I'm gonna close that because that's obviously not working out. Yeah, guys, actually probably gonna get rid of these buying so stops. Thought it was gonna be a good idea. Thought we'd have a little bit more volume in the markets, but actually doesn't seem like we're doing much. Even though it's high impact news, it's definitely not acting like high impact news, but it's expected though because we do have the NFP tomorrow, which is the end of the month. Or it would technically be this is the end of the month, but tomorrow is actually the beginning of the month. So I'm not too sure. It seems like you would see a lot more volume towards the end of the month here. We usually always do. But today doesn't seem like it's too crazy right now. It's just very, very slow moving. With that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it. The sell stop just doesn't make sense at this point. It's not moving near as hard as I thought it would. Uh, yeah, let's just stay away from that. Folks, at this point, we're just waiting patiently. Alrighty, folks. So we're nearing NYSC, and what I'm seeing so far is that we're respecting the support here. That's at 1942.15. I would like to see maybe a 15-minute candle close below this. We'll take a sell position, but I'm just really gonna be patient until then. After NYC, if NYC ends up like respecting the support and there's no like clear 15-minute bullish candle that respects support, we can maybe take a position there. Just gonna hop off the stream, save some capital for tomorrow. Tomorrow we should have some pretty high volume news. I expected a lot of high volume today, but I can't expect it in both days. So I thought it would be more towards the end of the month, but it's gonna be most likely the beginning of the month, being September 1st. But we're gonna see how this pans out and plays out. Yeah, so for right now, guys, we're just gonna wait for another 15 minutes. If there's no trade to be making or no trade to be made for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and close the stream. Obviously, don't want to just be on here for no reason. Trying to be on here to make a good trade for myself, but not only that, be able to showcase good trade management, implementing risk management skills. Because the only thing we can really control in these markets, or the only thing we can control in these markets at all, is our risk. So just gonna be patient right now, wait for to see what happens if this candle's gonna either respect this support or if it's gonna break through. So right now we're just chilling, guys.
What's going on, Miles? Good to see you, bro. Today was actually quite interesting. I try to have sell stops and buy or sell stops down here, buy stops up here. One of my buy stops actually did get activated, but as you know, with buy stops or any type of stops, sell or buy stops, if you even go like 5 to 10 pips drawdown, at that point, just close the trade because when you're into a sell stop or buy stop, you're looking to only use those, and this is my first time I did use them. I was looking to use them for high volume impact news. Um, once they get activated, they just got to go straight into profit. If they do not go into profit, it's best to just close the trade. Very, very little volume. I mean, the spread was, a little intense, but really at the end of the day, not much went on with the unemployment claims. Um, but then again, it is the end of the month, and we also have the beginning of the month starting tomorrow on a Friday with unemployment rates and NFP. So that's probably going to be the big day of a lot of volume. That's the day I'm going to use my sell stops and buy stops. Today was the first time I've ever done it on stream. Um, I was honestly pretty nervous, to be honest, but all I can do is manage risk. But yeah, right here, Miles, I'm just chilling, bro. Honestly, kind of stuck in between, trying to actually buy the support at the 15-minute candle here. Most likely I'm not going to. I've already taken one slight loss with the buy stop being activated. So honestly, I'm just gonna chill. Seeing that I was in kind of hopes that another 15-minute candle would actually push below 1942. If we push below 1942, I can see us taking a nice sell position. Taking profit around 1938, 91, something along those lines. But honestly, kind of just been chilling, bro. Really, not shit's going on right now. Uh, yeah, we are respecting support here. We could easily, come back up and respect this, but knowing that the 30-minute is still bearish, it's still kind of like, do I truly want to enter that? Most likely not. Most likely not. So I think I'm just gonna save capital. I just wanted to at least be here on the stream up until the end of the start of the NYSE, just so I can at least see what the candles print. I didn't want to close the stream too early. A big part of me wanted to close the stream early, especially after that buy stop. I was just kind of like, it's better just. I had high anticipation that we were gonna go boom, 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 boom. Price was gonna be flying. Price was not flying one bit. It was actually pretty dead. Volume wasn't as high as I thought. And for that reason, we're just been chilling today. So gonna just be pretty excited for tomorrow. To be honest, I'm really excited to get those buy stops and sell stops implemented. To be honest, that sounds like a really good plan. But yeah, folks, really just chilling, man. Price is kind of lame today. Really, not too much opportunity. And we got this 30-minute now closing below this, so definitely looking to stay away from that. I feel like that 15 minutes not gonna hold. But hey, Miles, it's good to see you again back on the stream, Brody. I really appreciate it, man. Definitely gonna be here for tomorrow. So if you can, if you have time, please join in on the stream tomorrow. It's gonna be pretty interesting to see how we're gonna be able to trade it. Of course, I'd always like to hear what you got going on in your mind with in regarding to your trades. If you're gonna make a trade, I'm always down all ears to hear what you got to say about how you feel about your position, everything like that. But just always feel free to share what you got on your mind. And that goes to anybody on the chat. It doesn't matter really. I'd like to hear everybody's opinion. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna trade how I'm gonna trade, and I'm not gonna sit there and tell another person how to trade either. It's just we all live and learn. So that's kind of how I view it. But yeah, folks, it's just looking dead, man. I'm honestly gonna get the fuck up out of here. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be interesting, bro, for sure. But right now it's boring as hell, dude. I'm not gonna lie, shit, boring as fuck. Yeah, it's boring. It's boring, folks. Right now, this is boring as hell. Yeah, this has closed below. I just don't like. This is like, I mean, 30 pip range is not bad. I just don't know. I just don't like the fact that yeah, this is 30 pip range. This looks nice, but the problem is we have a support super close, and not to mention it's like 15 pips away. 15 pips for like a scalp position, and we'd have to have like a stop loss around 30 pips. It just, I mean, obviously you don't have to have a stop loss at 30 pips. It's the safest stop loss to have at 30 pips. But if you want to get risky with it, you could always do something like that. But it's just, to me, it's just not worth it. It's just better for me just to trade when there's more volume in the markets and, kind of just go from there. It's always good to review and see what happens after NYC. I always like to do that. Like later in the day, I'll go check the markets back, like around 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'll just go ahead and review what happened during New York session and NYSE, see if there's any position to be taken, and pretty much just go from there. Kind of just learn like that as we go. But yeah, folks, thank you guys so much for tuning into the stream today. Not a whole lot going on today, honestly, guys. But it is what it is. The close of the NYSE candle can actually bring something for us. Part of me would like to wait for it, but honestly, guys, I guess I got other things to take care of, and I think it'd just be more important for me to just close the stream, save my money, save capital, and be ready to trade for tomorrow. The trading tomorrow can be quite intense, and I'm willing to take a 1.5% loss, or even 3% if I take 2 positions, if so. But definitely Friday, I'm willing to put some money on the line tomorrow. Today, just gonna let it be. No need to take 2 losses, and it'd be better just for me just to observe what happens during high impact news, but technically low volume. So it's just like it's a little learning process. If you look at the Forex calendar here, we can see we do got some high impact news coming in, but obviously not the most volume came in today in the markets. Not unexpected though, because we do have a bunch of news going on tomorrow, so I can easily see that the volume, everything like that, is gonna be safe for tomorrow, and that shit's going on today. Miles, you have a great day, bro. Everybody take it easy. God bless everybody, and let's all hope goes well tomorrow for everybody who's a trader, man. I hope everybody gets profitable positions, and we all become successful, and we can beat the institutes. Well, let me just say not beat the institutes. Let me say let's just trade with the institutes and make some money with the institutes. Trying to say we're against them, we lose 10 to 1 every time. Institutes gonna have a lot more money and can do what they want to do with these markets, and not necessarily like that, but you know what I mean. At the end of the day, we just gotta trade with them, make some money with them, get up out this mug, and invest our money. We're getting closer and closer, baby. Yes, sir. Miles, hey, take it easy, my guy. It's good seeing you, bro. Everybody else that was on the stream today, good seeing you guys. If anybody takes any trades today, God bless. Hope everything goes well today. Definitely always opportunities for sure. NYSE, I'm saying, all types of shit. I'm saying, this close support NYSE with New York Stock Exchange volume. We could even push back up and retest these highs here with the candle close of support. And we could also push, this candle could also go bearish past 1942. We'll see. Oh yeah, of course. And there's no hope, man. There's no hope. It's a matter of want and getting it. You know what I'm saying? So we just gotta really we gotta grit and grind for it, and we're just gonna have to take care of things. We will. We will get what we want to achieve in our dreams, and it's just a matter of the hard work and discipline that comes with it. Thank you all so much for tuning in today. Actually, I'm not even gonna cap. It was a boring ass stream today. I really didn't talk much. I was doing a lot of waiting, and yeah. So it is what it is. But folks, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We got NFP and unemployment rates. Gonna be kind of crazy. God bless everybody. Let's make it happen. Keep hustling, guys, throughout your day. If you got a 9 to 5, man, do that shit with a smile on your face, because at the end of the day, we getting money, man. Can't even trip out that. I'm about to close the streaming ship. I'm not gonna lie, this is a clean ass range. This is a clean range though. If it breaks below this and actually closes, I mean, could be a pretty nice trade here. I was, it's like, you know, I was about to close the stream, but it's like to see this a little bit longer. I don't know. Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, it's clean traffic to the left right here, bro. Um, looking actually quite nice. If the candle was to close something like this, if this was to be a candle closure, oh, dude, for sure, all day I'd like to take that position. But you gotta wait, cause if it does something like this, nah. If it closes like this, no. It's just gonna, you just gotta just let it be. But if we get it close below that, though, man, could be a nice trade. So I don't know. I might leave it to everybody's decision, but I'm not gonna lie. Seeing it in the moment, I start thinking maybe I should wait, but. It's tough because I've been waiting for so long. You know, might as well wait another 20 minutes. Like, what's another 20 minutes? But it's like, damn, sometimes another 20 minutes be feeling like fucking forever. But, yeah. This is where trading can be a little interesting at times, you know, because it's just like, you know, it's biggest party. It's a little trading. I love trading. There's a lot of emotion that come with trading, you know. You just gotta react off those things, you know, reacting the react well. Let me just see. Yeah, honestly, if we do get a closer, bearish candle closer below 1942.15, yo guys, more power to you. I really feel like it can work out very well. A big part of me wants to close the stream. I got like an 80% that wants to close the stream, but like a 20% part of me doesn't want it like close because I feel like this could be a super easy move if we do close below. Like I have pretty strong belief in that. But yeah, dude, Miles, that's what I'm thinking, bro. That's what I'm thinking. I might wait for the 30 minutes to close, to be honest. And hey, I appreciate you commenting down, bro. You know, it always makes the stream a little bit more exciting whenever there's someone else commenting back in the stream. You know, I don't like to necessarily talk a whole bunch when it comes down to trading. I do like to give out my ideas 100%, but I just gotta get better. I just gotta get better. You know what I'm saying? It's just have a better understanding of price action, maybe to talk more. You know, with things that may be happening within the price action, like, you know. Just, you know, it's just more of a learning process, but don't got much to say really. Yeah, bro, it's very difficult. 100%. I can definitely agree with you on that because it's like, you know, when you deal with real money and at least a fair amount of money that, you know, if you lost it, it would make you feel like damn. You know what I mean? Whenever you do, yeah, it's just a whole lot of emotions can go into play, especially when you do got skin in the market and you got something that you would actually not want to lose. Definitely puts all those emotions into you when you're in a trade and, you know, you're in drawdown or even in profits. You know, I've noticed sometimes when I've been in profits that sometimes I'll cut my profits pretty short and the position ends up running, you know, very well. And then other times when, you know, I'll like hold the trade all the way till it hits my stop loss. Now there's a problem because I mean it's still only 1.5%, but you know it's still always better to obviously try and negate that. Still, if I can get a 1% loss, that's even better because then at that point I know if I take a dub trade, it's going to be over the loss I took. So you know it's kind of the ideas behind it. My strategy, bro, honestly, is price action, bro. I like to wait for breakouts. I like to wait for retracement plays. Um, yeah, pretty much breakouts and retracements. Impulsive entries, it varies for me. It varies for me. It's really got to be a lot of volume in the markets. Generally, I like to take impulsive entries either during like the open of New York session or NYSE, but it just really depends. And I'm not gonna lie, I can't say I'm really good at impulsive entries. My impulsive entries, I'm say, dude, I'm probably like a no cap, bro. Probably like 4 out of 10 times, bro, I've won an impulsive trade, dude. Them impulsive trades, I still gotta learn a lot more with it. It's very difficult, and yeah, impulsive entry is something I definitely gotta work on, but it's just a matter of understanding what's going on in the markets a lot because, you could, for instance, like, oh, it breaks below this, impulsive entries, but you would have got stopped out. Yeah, bro, Miles, bro, I love to hear it, bro. Actually, me too, bro. I got the same thing, bro. I'm actually on market fluidity right now. I'm trying to go through all the market fluidity videos first before I start going on to the SRCs. I love it a lot. I actually I post on the Slack as well. I have a Discord channel, and then I also post on the Slack. That's obviously provided with the SRC. But yeah. I'm actually on the market fluidity videos, and I'm about to start the impulsive entries one. And it's like all these videos are like 95 minutes, dude. Like they're really long. I'm sure you've seen them yourself. But ooh, there we go. Huge spike down. There's the volume. That was actually quite interesting. Kind of lost my train of thought when I seen that, but oh yeah. Anyways, I'm on impulsive entries right now. 95 minutes for a video, dude. Those videos do take me a little bit longer than 95 minutes because I do like to watch and see what happens, or not, excuse me, watch see what happens. I'm doing that right now. I like to take notes. So when I take notes, that 95-minute video is actually even longer. So, really trying to get through all the market fluidity videos first, and then I'm gonna go start on the SRC. I know, huh? Very crazy, huh? Can't even do anything about it though. I'm not even tripping. You know, if this trade just boom just floods all the way down to these levels, it is what it is. Let's take a look at this 15-minute. 2 minutes for this 15-minute. I ain't gonna lie. If this 15-minute does close below, I'm gonna go ahead and take that trade. $42.25. So yeah, as long as we close below 42.25, I can take this sell. I'm actually gonna do a little bit more than that. Yeah, but Miles, basically just price action, bro. I'm trying to just get better price action trading. I wouldn't say I use like Fibonacci's or whatever else indicators you can say. I don't use any of that. I just like to go off of price action and get better on that. Got a minute left. Let's see how our 1-to-1 ratios are looking. So we got about 26 pip. 26 pip stop loss for a potential, 50 pips. Yeah, definitely gonna look to get into this. Even a more modest stop or take profit would be right there. 1938. Let's just go ahead and get this set up. Yeah, I fuck with that, bro. Let's see. 1938, 85. 1938, 85. That's cool. Let me get this market panic off. Trying to do market execution. Definitely not trying to make no pending orders. We gotta close below. Can we close below? Nah, see, we didn't close below. I'm straight. I'm straight, guys. I'm straight. I'm not making the trade. Oh, thank God I put this up right here. That was like super close. This position could actually, this is where trading is kind of tough, right? I'm not taking this trade though. I'm so far glad I haven't, because holy shit, this would suck to go this far in a drawdown. But yeah, we did not close below that. I had my both on TradingView and MT5. This marked out, 1942, relatively the same area. If it didn't break past this, I wasn't gonna take the trade. But my God, look how close that is, though. I mean, you gotta literally be like spot on. You have. That's why I feel like Magic Keys is so important to have, because with Magic Keys, I can have my parameters set, and then all I gotta do is hit one button, open trade, and I'm able to get into the trade. Oof, I couldn't imagine trying to open a normal position, or even whenever it's just this close. Like you're in between, like it's 1 second from going boom right below it, and 1 second from going above it. Literally, if it goes below it, price could just flood down. If it stays above, this happens, bro. Like holy fuck. Yeah, that weight saved us, bro. We're still respecting that level, bro. 100%. Hey, Miles, I'll fuck with you, bro. Hopefully you in my Discord, bro, because I like how you trade, man, and you got the SRC. Great minds think alike. Baba Yaga. So yeah, bro. Not too sure, bro, if you in my Discord or not. But bro, if you's not in the Discord, bro, oh yeah, good. All right, for sure. Good deal, bro. That's what I thought. I could have sworn I've sent you the link. Yeah, folks, we not doing shit. All right, man. Hey, Miles. On a real note, bro, we closing the stream at this point for sure, for sure. So tomorrow, let's get it, man. Let's really get up in there. Baba Yaga. Okay, bet. What's the John Wick dude? You like the Russian name? That's what's up, though. But yeah, folks. Hey, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the stream today. 100%. All is looking pretty well. I'm gonna just save capital. Even if this trade works out, like if this next candle closes below, that's lit. It's lit. But you know what? I'm not. You know what? I'm just thinking. I was looking at the 15-minute though. This is still the 30-minute charts. Obviously, that waiting for that 15-minute, the 15-minute could have easily got us rocked. But this 30-minute though could be the one to save us. It could give that trade that potential trade a chance here, but 12 minutes. With the 30-minute, it's about the same. Nah, we finna say the capital, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the stream today, guys. If it ends up pulling off, hey, anybody that does take this sell, if it does close below, hey, man, I really hope that shit keep going down. Boom. But regardless, guys, I am gonna hop off the stream. I'm taking no trades today. Anytime I do take a trade, it's always gonna be on my YouTube stream, so everybody's just gonna know that. At the end of the day, the goal is to take. I start off with 15. I ain't gonna lie. I had like a bad week, 1 week, and I'm not doing so great. Took me out a little bit, but trying to take this $1,500. I'm trying to double it into 3,000. Once I double it to 3,000, at that point I've proven to the stream that I can take money and double it. Once I double it, at that point, bro, any money that I make from being a butcher, I'm just gonna start pretty much throwing bread into it, man. Anytime I'll pay the bills. Once the bills paid, shit, any little money I got, bro, fuck the clothes, man, fuck anything else, smoking weed, all that type of shit, bro. All my money's going onto the account, bro. I'm trying to make that shit happen. So once I'm able to get this 1,500, this 1,300 into, once I hit 3K, naturally taking trades, 1 to 2 trades every day. Yeah, at that point, I'm throwing money in this mug. I'm throwing money in there. I'm trying to get that 5K count, take the 5K count, 10K to 30K type shit. But yeah, so it's all got taken in baby steps, but I want to prove to everybody first that I can, double an account naturally until I just start, people are just like, bro, I saw you with 3K in your account. Now you have 5K in your account. What happened? You take a 2K trade? Nah, I didn't take no 2K trade. It's just at this point, I proved to everybody that I can double the account. And now at this point, yeah, I'm trying to have bigger lot sizes. And the only way I can have bigger lot sizes is if I have a bigger account, because I don't care about, lot sizes technically. I just care about the percentages, and with a bigger account, 1.5% is going to make me have a bigger lot size. In return, it's going to give me better P&Ls, better profit to loss ratios. And, when I have better profits, maybe I can start living a little bit off of the trading, maybe pay one bill a month with what I make on trading. and then just keep going from there until it starts actually substituting for what I do as a job. But even then, I still wouldn't want to quit my job. I'd want to secure a lot more assets. I'd want to have more like residual income coming in. So I got a lot to grind for. It's gonna be a long process, but I love what I'm doing right now. I love everything that's going on. I'm blessed to have everybody that's in support with me. The little Discord channel I got going on, it's always great to have people that like to trade as well. And the only way we're gonna get to where we want to be, guys, is if we just actually, learn. Once we learn, we take what we learn, and then we come to the markets. New York session, London session. Whenever you trade, and apply that knowledge. If we apply that knowledge, man, there's nothing different between us and a successful trader or a rich person in general. Any rich person or any wealthy man or woman, the only difference between me and you guys and the wealthy woman or wealthy man is that they put their time and effort into something that has been able to grow them the wealth that they have, and it's all a matter of time and effort. But folks, thank you so much. Miles, have a great day, bro. I really appreciate you tapping in today. Let's get it tomorrow, man. Let's have a great day. God bless everybody. For real this time, peace out. Leaving the stream.